All right, guys, so we're doing Noah's Tahoe. What year is this? 2003?
02.
02. So he's doing the front door pods. Going away from a single scar, 6.5. Where are you going to?
2 8-inch death marks, handles.
Yep. And we have the customspeakerpods.com. These line up really nice. And how much were these?
180, I think.
180 for 2? That ain't bad. So all you got to do is line it up, drill the holes, and trim out the inside. So we're gonna go ahead and get a Sharpie, mark this out, cut everything out, screw it down, and should be good to go. So let's try this.
I was just gonna say fuck it and just cut the whole damn, like, this whole thing out.
Okay, works for me.
I mean,
All right, so I just use a little cheap Hypertech oscillating saw. Cut this out. Didn't have to make it super pretty because this is gonna go right over top of it and hide everything. All right, let's check fitment. Speakers. Perfect. It's gonna look good.
oh yeah.
All right, so we've got it fully mounted in, screwed in. Now all we gotta do is put it back in the Tahoe. We'll go ahead and drill the holes once the speakers, we line up the speakers the way we want it. We'll wire it up. But these kits turned out awesome. So definitely go check them out. I'll leave a link in the description below, and I'll show some footage of it finally done. All right, so we got them installed. We're about to go tune them. So how fast did it take to install these?
25 minutes.
It wasn't bad at all. Literally all you do is put them on there, trace it, cut it, and install your speakers. What was there? 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 screws and bolts for each. Not bad at all.
Not bad.
All right, links in the description below.